And so the Panthers are making noise for 10% off. You're supporting a small business in North Davidson, and they got sick Panthers merch, Charlotte FC merch, Hornets merch, and just all things Charlotte merch. It's the absolute best. Click the link. Give them a shot. Go on and watch Panthers Post. Thanks for joining. Let's talk about your 5-4 Carolina Panthers taking on the 1-8 Aints. I don't even know who their starting quarterback is. All I know is I just keep seeing that clip of him in the combine, just making absolutely no sense with that throw. But the Panthers are suddenly on the national stage again. Panthers are one game up on 500, and so the Panthers are making noise. The pressure's on them. How people are talking about them a little bit. So yeah, the Panthers going to be interesting to see how they do with. They are now the favorites to win this game. How do they deal with that? But I predicted last episode that this is going to be a big game for Bryce. He was out with a high ankle sprain, miraculously back after a week. He has had time to sit down, look at the playbook. He knows this Saints team. You would think that Bryce will come out firing. There's just no one on this Saints defense that really scares me. But if the Panthers' run defense can do its thing, shut Kamara down, shut Taysom Hill down, shut both those guys down, and I think the Panthers should come away with this